In this video, we'll be covering enabling your system for calling and texting, adding usage credits, and purchasing your Shape phone number. First, navigate to Settings in the top gradient navigation bar to bring up the drop-down for Phone Settings, where you will find the Manage Phone Settings page. At the top of this page, you will find 3 toggles for enabling your system for calling and texting. First, you'll see your phone integration is enabled or disabled in the top right. To call and text in Shape, you will want this toggled on, indicated by the green color. The next 2 toggles are for enabling calling and texting features in your system. You can enable both or one or the other. In order to get phone numbers and use calling, texting, and call recording, make sure that you have usage credits. If you see a red announcement bar across the top of your screen and add usage credits is red, you will need to add some credits to use the phone and texting capabilities. You must have at least one Shape phone number in the system, which you can get by pressing Get Phone Number and choosing your area code of choice. All users can share the same phone number, and it is not necessary to have a dedicated line per user. If you are searching for area codes and get an error message, please either try in a couple days or reach out to support@setshape.com to request your desired area code on your behalf. Phone numbers are replenished on a weekly basis, but some phone numbers, such as high population areas, are no longer available due to the popularity. An existing non-Shape phone number, like the number to a wireless phone or a landline in your home or office, can be validated and used as your caller ID for outbound calling. Use the drop-down menu to assign a caller ID and texting ID to each user in your system. At the top of the page, you will notice a check button to enable call recording for all calls in your system. However, this can also be manually enabled in the dialer slide out. You can also require call outcomes from your users for every call. Checking this box will enable a pop-up at the end of every call to disposition the call appropriately. If you have any further questions regarding phone settings in your system, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.